Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about website building and how a website has to accommodate to different screens that I have been talking about in the past as well. But this video would be mainly focused about actually getting the website into into a look and shape and having all those links and all. So let's get started. It's gonna be a big video. It will be subdivided into different parts and you would be able to see a preview of it in the previous video. So let's get started. And in one video I may not be able to complete the entire website, but I would like to divide it into parts and then continue further. So first of all, we start with HTML. That's one tag that we always use for the beginning. Keep the head ready. The head has meta tags. You can see the previous videos which talk about meta tags. Then we have to give it a name, which is we calling it viewport, and then giving it some content, how it has to work according to the um, size of a device. So it should be equal to the device width, and then initial scale would be the original size being 1.0. Then in the next part we are adding the style element, which contains all the CSS attributes. 1 star for the common one, calling it box sizing. I've talked about flexbox in the previous video, so a lot of information from previous videos would be applicable for this one. Then it's the dot menu, because the dot menu being the menu option, and we want to apply some CSS attributes to this one as well. Float to the left and width is 20%. So these percentages decide how much the area a website would cover, and the subsections how they would be adjusted to the website. Then dot menu item, which is keep some padding. Then a margin, top margin of 7 pixel, border bottom 1 pixel, and also define the type f1 f1 f1. Close this one. Then the next attribute is dot main, float left, then width is 60%, padding is, we're keeping it as 0. I'll just keep it as 20 pixels. Then overflow, hidden. These are all the CSS properties that that can be used while programming. Then it's light blue, float left, width 20%, padding 10 pixel. Okay, it's a range, so let me define the range in previous one as well. 20 space 0 space 20, then the margin top 7 pixel, and then let's define. All right, that's it for this video, because I don't want to put in a lot of stuff in just one video. I want to keep it short, so that there is three divisions of content, and in the next one we'll try to go to the body of